You know, the question I get asked most often is, Tony, how do you go to the bathroom in the suit? Just like that.
Gyroscope, wheel bearings, orthosis, hip drone. Following procedures after this: overlaying exterior, where the small miniature motor is going to grind up the stool into a liquid to pour out these open clearance shafts. Exterior is going to be covered with a thermoplastic mount. This is going to be hard as, and it's going to cover rotary, both of the rotaries, and allow a traveling area from this rotary to this rotary. There's going to be another motor that's going to be coupled to this motor on top of it before I do that, so that two blades propellers will be facing towards one another. This will create the thrust I need to be vacuumed and displaced. The gyros to help and assist with the motion. This will make the thermoplastic will make it, as far as the sheet, make this very hard and dense, solid, and reducing the point of any loose bolts or etc. with the acrylic. The urinal part, we're right here, two splitters going to allow the air pressure from the vacuum to flow down here. What I did was I blocked the vacuum so that the air pressure comes from the armor, and this is the locking to the armor. I'm gonna cut this tubing short, a little bit short, so it can fit in the segment area. This is the urinal part for urinal, and I'm gonna put an LED in there as far as a PIR sensor for to activate the vacuum. This is a 100,000 RPM vacuum, and it will be attached to the Orthosis brace.